The internal and external radii of hollow hemispherical ball are 15 cm and 16 cm respectively. Find the cost of painting the ball at the rate of 35 paise per square centimeter if area of the edge of the ball is ignored, and second, if the area of the ball is edge of the ball is taken into account. See, this hemisphere means half of the sphere. Internal radius 15, external 16. This thickness, in one case it is ignored, in other case it is considered. Now if it is ignored or considered, what we have to find out is the surface area, this total. We have to find out the surface area external plus internal and then multiply by it by the cost of painting, right? Here, surface area of a sphere equals to pi d square, but this can also be written as d equals to 2r. So 4 pi r square. So surface area of hemisphere will be what now? Half of this, that is 2 pi r square. Remember this formula. Case number 1, where thickness is not considered. Internal curved surface is what? 2 pi r square, means r is 15. So do this solution and you will get 1414.28. Do it yourself. External surface area is what? Because that is 16 external area. Therefore 2 into 22 by 7 into 16 square. So solve this again. You will get 1609.14. Now what we have to do? We are painting both inside and outside, but ignoring the thickness now. So just add the two areas. So total area to be painted becomes 3023.442. Add these two. So now the cost per square centimeter, it is 0.35, means 35 paise. So total for 3023 will be multiply it 1058.19. This is ignoring the thickness. Now case number 2, if you add the thickness, then what? These two are to be done. Definitely. Just add the thickness. Now how do I add the thickness? Outer area minus inner area. Pi r square minus pi r square. 256 pi minus 225 pi. 31 into 3.142. 97.402. That is the area. Again the cost. 35 paise into 97.40. That is 34.09. Just add this 34.09 to earlier one, 1058, and you get 1092.28. That is the cost if thickness is included, and this is the cost if thickness is not included.